Today I'll show you how to make a simple cough syrup using ginger and lemongrass. Warm the throat, clear the lungs. Ginger helps warm the turmeric reduces inflammation and soothes the throat. Calm coughing? Calm coughing. Boil gently for 25 minutes on low heat. Mint helps open the airways, and lime adds vitamin C to strengthen your body against coughs.
Vitamin C, strong body.
Watch closely as I wash these. Basil helps reduce inflammation in the throat, and ginger boosts circulation and relieves cough symptoms.
Relieves cough, relieves cough.
Relieves cough. When the color darkens, it's ready. Perilla leaves are great for soothing cough and reducing irritation. Combined with rock sugar, it becomes gentle and easy to drink.